How to give yourself the ultimate dad haircut. I switched to this hairstyle about 6 years ago, almost 7, right before my first kid was about to be born because it's low maintenance. All you're gonna need is maybe a $20 or maybe $40 hair cutting kit, and to follow these numbers exactly. All right, so we got this kit, I don't know, 6 or 7 years ago. This is a wall. You're gonna need the 19, the 16, the 13, and the 10. Although when I first started this haircut, it was 19 only, which is really fast, but my wife didn't like that style too much. And then for the beard, for the matching beard cut, you need like one of those $15 things from Walmart or Target or something, and you need the 5 guard and the 7 guard. All right, here goes. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm outside, it's because there's no mess that way. Easy to clean up. If I wasn't filming this haircut, it would maybe take 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and I've probably saved $2,000-3,000. More than that if you pay more than $20 for a haircut, which why you would do that, I don't know, especially if you're a dad. First step, we're gonna take the 19 and we're gonna go over just the top of the head. The key here is full coverage. Doesn't matter if you go too far down. Next you're gonna do is put a 16 on, and we're gonna hit the next band down. When you're running the buzzer, just make sure that you're passing it over every area. It doesn't hurt to hit it a couple times, just like mowing a lawn. Don't miss. Just don't miss anything at that level. All right, when we got the 16 squared away, kind of most of the way down, however you like to do it, then we're gonna go 13 for the final fade. Actually, not the final. Got to go 10 around the ears because that's my wife likes that. Okay, now we've gone 13 all the way down. We're gonna go 10, some of these areas around here. I gotta do something with that. Then we'll see what we do next after we hit it with the 10. Okay, so at this point we've gone 10 around. Yeah, that's not bad. Could be worse. And then we can optionally go to quality control. Okay, your wife and have somebody trim up the back edges, or you can do it yourself by feel. I kind of stopped doing that because every once in a while I miss, and then it's a hassle to redo and take it lower, but you can kind of feel where the hair starts. You just take a real low buzzer or just no buzzer at all. Usually use the beard trimmer and like at 1, and then go up and get all that. But it's easier to have someone else do it or do it in front of a mirror. All right, now for the beard. So the beard's going to be 7 all the way through here, 5 here. Then when you have a mirror, a nice clean cut there. And I'll show the final product. One thing I forgot to mention is important using the beard to actually use a beard trimmer, or else it's going to be a spotty result. The other thing is it doesn't have to be a 5 and a 7. 5 here, 7 here. It's just that I don't like to give myself a beard trim frequently because the whole point of this is to reduce time. And so doing that lasts a whole week nicely, which is the whole point of that. But if somebody wants a nice closely groomed beard all week, they could do it differently. The other thing that I forgot to recommend is it's great to do this shirtless, but since I'm doing the video and also it's about 30 degrees out here, I'm not doing that, but that really saves on cleanup. All right, let's give it the 5, then I'll clean it up. I clean kind of along the hairline here and down here, and you can see the end result once it's done. By the way, check it out, maple syrup on its way. SAP is already running. If you want to see that video, just subscribe, or maybe I'll put a card up for it. There you go, finished product. The ultimate low maintenance dad haircut.